Okay, let's go to the Mang Inasal. Today I wanna share what I ate Mang Inasal and how it tastes. Without further ado, check it out. Let's go. Finally, I arrived Mang Inasal. Mang Inasal is really famous chains in Philippines, so that's why I really want to try that. Oh my god. This is line?
Yeah.
I have to wait.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Are you Korean?
No, yeah, South Korea.
Ako half Korean.
Oh, you're half Korean?
No.
Hi, joking.
Half good.
We're together.
Hello.
It's good, right?
Huh?
Mang Inasal is good. This is my for the first time.
Yeah. Manning is only rice like that.
Ah.
And chicken is like all chicken oil like that.
Also, I want to try that.
Like summer.
It's good,
It's
right?
good.
Oh my god, okay. Chicken.
It's only PM to available. Breast with wings available.
What is that?
Breast with wings.
150.
151. Additional 55 pesos.
Okay.
That's all, ma'am.
Yes?
Thank you, ma'am.
I think a lot of people love here regardless of age. So, what is the best? Your opinion? This one.
186. 186.
Oh, I ordered it.
Yeah.
151, right?
Oh. Okay, one.
7.
Yeah.
Yeah, like it. Okay, I got it. And hello.
Yeah. Order ka na. Halo. No, you're Korean, you're not like spicy.
Bulat ako lumapit sa akin.
I got it.
You got it!
52. Come on, mamili ka na. Tatluhan tayo na.
You know what? So I ate with Filipinos. I met him here for the first time. Filipino seems to have an open mind. I like it because I also have an ongoing personality. Now I'm really hungry because it's been 30 minutes since I got here. And now I'm really in line. Like this.
Halo-halo ito. You order na halo-halo?
Yeah, I order halo.
Halo-halo na lang.
Halo.
Chicken.
I can find this. Oh my god. Why it hide in here?
I love
like
it.
this. Like it?
Squeeze it. Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Wait.
Squeeze, yeah.
Squeeze like that. Wow.
Good.
This is the soy sauce, and this is chicken oil.
Dip.
Ah.
Bebente na yun. Gago, 189.
Cheers.
All and eat. Then eat.
Let's eat, of course. Dip in the sauce, like this, like that. Wow, it's so great, right? Wow, amazing. Only this oil. Okay, I will eat. Wow, it's so big, right? It's really huge and oh my god. I like that. I like this chicken because really huge. So maybe you can get it in here. And life is unlimited, so maybe if you want to eat more, and you can get it. I love it. So yeah, we will try that. Subscriber recommend to come here, so that's why I came here. Oh my, hello, thank you. I got it. Oh my god, it's so great, right? I take a picture. Oh my god, it's so great. Like that. Oh my god, I will try this.
Pa!
Oh my god! I love it. Really? I love it. Really tender and soft, right? You have to eat with rice because this is like Filipino style, right?
Yeah.
With rice and I will eat together like this.
Sekali ko din ha. Hindi ako makapwede ko. Hindi ka kami dito, ma? Wala. Dito.
Good. Combo is really good. I love that. Cheers.
Eh, dapat pala yung lalapit mo rin, oh.
You know what? If you eat just this, maybe as a Korean, is you can feel like a little bit salty. But you add the rice and chicken, maybe you couldn't tell like it's salty. Really good. I love it. I know why people really like to come to here. We try this sauce. I made this. This is soy sauce and calamansi. Hello.
How are you?
Bye. Wow, Edo.
So you want
Hello.
rice?
Oh, not yet. Yeah, because I'm not done. Yeah.
Enjoy your meal, ha?
Of course. Okay, we will try to mix. Mix. Soy sauce. I put the soy sauce.
Oh,
Okay, like that.
come on. Just eat. And show you. More than...
So good. Also really affordable because this one is only 151 pesos. But in Korea, we didn't eat rice and meat because this is not common things. But this combo is really good. So maybe I want to get this again. Maybe if I put this quality as only this price, maybe everyone really like it, right? Like this. Inside, you can see inside. Really tender and soft.
It's very delicious.
And really famous in here.
It tastes like that.
I wait like 30 minutes and over 30 minutes, but it's worth it, right?
Very worth it.
Everything there is really melts now, so I have to try it. But maybe I will like it because as you guys know, get this in previous video, right? But it's really good because I love ube ice cream. Also, I love this kind of the things. Okay, I'll try it. It's good. I have to mix. Okay, I will mix like that. Yeah, mix and I will. Wow. I have to. Wow, it's so cool.
also like bean. This is bean, right? Really nutty. And you can see like ube ice cream. Wow, it's okay. I will try that again because I'm hungry. Thank you.
What you say this?
Oh, really sour. Wow, this is really sour than I expected. Even this,
Yeah.
after that, I eat them.
Yeah. Oh, very nice. So tender juicy. One more the rice.
More juicy. Maybe you put some soy sauce. This is like Jangmyeon galbi. Do you know that? And like Korean traditional galbi.
Overall, review is finished. All of things is really nice. Do you guys enjoy this video? I hope you did. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.